Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today this should be a quick video. We are going to announce the winners of the DW15 watch face, which the watch face is beautiful. It is off the chain. So Dewills did okay for me to give away some watch faces. So we do want to give a shout out to him and say thank you for the donation. Everybody give him a shout out. Okay, so now if your name doesn't get called, don't worry about it. We have a small group of people who pretty much comment, so it will circle around really quick. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's announce the winners of the DW15 watch face. Now, number one is going to be Sonia McMillan, if I pronounced that right. Number two is going to be official, I want to say Keith or Keithit. And number three is going to be Daryl Gray. Congratulations, you all. And number four is going to be Mohammed. Number five, Glenn. You already know what to do. All right. So remember, if your name didn't get called, we got more watch faces to give away. So just stay tuned. Continue to comment. Continue to share this video with other people. Not just this video, but all my watch face videos. Let them know who has the best looking watch faces on YouTube. All right. So with that being said, another thing I need for you all to do is to let me know what country you're from so I know what code to get. If you're from the US, put the US behind your name or behind your comment when you email me. You should see the email down at the bottom. I am going to leave it in the description box as well. And if you're from another country, leave the name of the country you're from so I can get the proper code for you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Congratulations again to all the winners. And with that being said, you know what we do next. We will see you all at the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. All right, have a great night.